How to enable OTG on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can enable OTG on Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in order to enable your OTG or on the go on Realme device, you need to manually turn it on from your settings before you connect a USB device like a pen drive, mouse or a keyboard. So for that, open up settings in your device. Under your settings, navigate to the search bar and in the search bar directly search for OTG and wait for a while until it searches and find a result for you. There you go, you have OTG connection, tap on it. Scroll down a bit. Now you have to toggle the OTG connection switch to on. And here, Realme devices will automatically turn off OTG after 10 minutes of inactivity to save the power. So you must re-enable it if it disconnected or idle for too long. Now, once you have turned on OTG connection in your device, now you can connect your OTG devices. So plug your USB device such as your pen drive, keyboard or card reader into the phone using an OTG adapter or cable. Then you will get a notification or save the content in the file manager. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.